Hey guys, good evening. Another quick video here. S Group Forex Investment Daily Review video. This is video number 20 now. Um, yeah, so we just got a notification here that we got our earnings for today. And look at that, it's 0.49%. So on the money that I have invested here, I made my percentage, which is 0.75%, which is 51.29, and they're keeping the other 25.25% or sorry 25%. So I get 75%, they keep 25% of the daily earnings. So yeah, it's a win-win situation here between the investor, which is me, and the company itself. So yeah, guys, I'm now over 14,000. Because if you take all this, add this up, with the money I have in my cash balance up there, I'm over 14,000. So I'm somewhere now like $987,000 to $15,000 dollars invested in the Forex market, guys. Really excited because I would say kind of my goal really is to get to 16,000, guys. Because at $16,000, when I have that, I should be at 16,000 around sometime in August. It's now June, so in a couple months. And at that point, I'll be making $300 US per week, guys. That's right, 1,200 US a month on autopilot, just flowing in. It's a beautiful thing, guys. So if you guys haven't done so already, click on the sign up link down below for the S Group company. You can sign up underneath my referral link, which is the only way to get in. And yeah, essentially, I'll walk you through everything step by step. I'll explain everything. There's lots to know with S Group. It took me a little while. I got myself educated on everything October of 2020. A lot has changed, a lot has evolved. So, yeah, just shoot me an email down below if you're kind of hesitant. If you have any questions, if there's anything you want to get privy to, just let me know, guys, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. But yeah, this is a very, very stable company, guys, and I've been in it for like over a year and a half. It'll be 2 years in October of this year. It's now June. Uh, so another 4 more months. I'll be in the system for 2 full years, guys, and I've made money every single day, Monday through Friday, and I've never had a day where I've lost money on anything, guys. I've made money every single day. So it's really, really incredible. And as you can see, this is my total earnings that I've made since I've joined the group back in October of 2020. I'm getting close to 10 grand, guys. I'll hit that sometime this coming week. It's now Friday, so the week's over. There's no trading on Saturdays and Sundays, only Monday through Friday. So I'll hit that sometime this coming week. I'll be over 10 grand in the system, guys. Um, so yeah, I mean, this, if you're coming into the system and you're not too sure what to start off with, good idea. I mean, there's four different segments of the company you can invest your money in to make money on autopilot. Forex market is the common one. Most people start off with Forex, take that money and invest it into other aspects of the company. As pharmaceutical, that's medical cannabis, CBD products. As for IPO, it's various stocks that they have trading on autopilot for you, and Liquidity Mining is their own token system. But I would say just focus on Forex, guys. When I joined this company, Forex was the only one that was actually available. So now, as you see, they're expanding and they're getting into other businesses and allowing you to be a part of it, guys. Um, this is basically like Forex is basically a currency market where the computerized, intelligently programmed computerized bot trades against two currencies, and it bets whether the currency is going to go up or go down. And that's basically all the extent you need to know. It is a little bit more technical, but it does all that automatically for you guys. And it's programmed and set up by industry professionals, by a group of industry professionals who've been doing trading for over 20 years, guys. So everything's done on autopilot for industry professionals. So that being said, I'm getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Again, guys, subscribe to my channel, hit the description button down below, and be part of this journey that I'm on. And also, yeah, shoot me an email. My email is in the description. And click on the sign up link down below, and you can sign up and be a member of my team, guys, and I'll walk you through everything. So I'll do all the all the guesswork for you and feed you all the knowledge you need to know. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.